Well, good morning, folks. Double A Farms coming back at you. It's another beautiful, beautiful day in South Carolina. I mean, a gorgeous day there. I mean, nice white, puffy, cumulus clouds there, beautiful blue sky. Just a gorgeous day. I mean, gorgeous spring day. Temps are, I think, lower 70s right now. So, beautiful day. Lord blessed us with some more rain last night, so got a good little shower. So out here at the 11:35 and big disc. The last time I was running this was, I reckon, about a week or so ago. I was doing some disting here in the field, plowing up this biggest field, and I don't know what happened. I look back after I got started disting. I don't know, I made 2 or 3 passes with the disc harrow, and I look back and doggone if my hose had not done come unhooked. I don't know if it got, I don't know if it came out of the fitting here, the hydraulic hookup. I don't know if it came out, popped out of that. I didn't have it in there good enough. I don't know if it came out and then it came up and it got wrapped up. You can see it there, but it's wrapped up all in the disc harrow. I can't tell if y'all can see it or not, so hopefully you can. But it got wrapped up, so I don't know what happened. Because when I look back, it was done. So I don't know if it came unhooked at the hookup there on the tractor, or when I turned, it popped out, or I don't know. I really don't know what happened with that. So, but it came out and it cut it. You can see it there, which is an old line. It needed to be replaced anyway. I mean, you can see there all the coverings going off of it, and that's all the metal and all the pieces of that are there. So it needed to be replaced. I don't know when this one here has been replaced, but it's got some bad spots on it as well. It'll have to be replaced before too long, but it certainly is not as bad as that other one. I've never changed any of these hoses on this disc. I've had this disc for, gosh, I don't even know how long I have had this disc now. So, but anyway, so I've got a new hose. I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna see if I can get this jumbled mess of wire hose there. I'm gonna get it. I've worked on it a little bit, but just didn't have the tools. I'm gonna have to take and cut it off somehow. So I'm gonna set y'all up on the tripod and let you watch. I got a couple of tools here. I'm gonna try. I don't know what's gonna work the best. I don't know if my Sawzall is gonna work the best, or snips, or what. I ain't got a clue. I don't know what's gonna get in here in the vest. This big old thing of mess. I'm just gonna go right for the Sawzall and see if it's gonna do anything for us. Yep, that helped. And that, yep, got one piece off. I mean, that's a devil of a thing there. There we go. Came all the way unraveled then. Wasn't too bad. Sawzall was the right tool for that job. It obviously broke the hydraulic fitting just clean off. It cut it clean off whenever it was doing it. So anyway, at least we got all that mangled, jumbled mess. Looks like a bunch of snakes on the ground now, but all that mangled mess off. So we're gonna put the new hose on now. All right, just gonna get this new hose, this old piece of hose off. Gonna get this new one back on. Probably looks like them already. We're on says tools. Should have brought me a wire brush. Get all this junk stuff off. Crazy thing is, when I was using the disc, after this broke, the disc was still raising lower, even though it's got two hoses on it. Most of the time it's got two hoses, it ain't gonna work fully if you ain't got use of both hoses. So this one worked. I'm not gonna be able to, I don't know that I'm gonna be able to even work this, cause unless I can get this fitting here off, I may have to get I might have to get a reducer, and I believe I am. It's crazy. It's the 3/8. I got 1/2 inch hose and a 1/2 inch fitting. This is 3/8 here. I'm gonna end up having to get a new fitting for this and put on a new fitting, or I'm gonna have to get a reducer from a 1/2 inch to a 3/8. Check to see if I got something at home. If I ain't got nothing at home, I'll have to grab me something that's gonna work. So I'll have to revisit this project again. At least I got the old hose off and got it untangled from around the disc blades itself. So at least I got that accomplished. I just have to get me a right fitting to go on there. So I guess I should have looked beforehand. Just didn't. So just have to come back to this project. All right, folks, back out here working on this disc tear. Went to Track Supply and got a couple of different fittings, so hopefully I got one. That is correct, I hope. I'll see how in a second. Move this off a wee bit. Actually unhooked the tractor yesterday from the disc tear, just in case anybody come out here and decided to use it other than me, and they didn't ask me. So I bought two different ones here. I'm gonna see which one is gonna work. Whichever one works, I'll keep. The other, I should take back to Tractor Supply. Yeah, not that one. Not that one. Put that one back in. That's a 1/2 inch male pipe and a 1/2 inch female swivel. Didn't work. Try this next one here, which is a 3/8 inch male and 1/2 inch female. And that one didn't work. So, unsuccessful on either one of those. So, taking those back to Tractor Supply. And what I'm gonna do is come back out here. Well, ain't got a plug. I wish I had a plug. I could plug it. I'm gonna have to end up having to take that fitting with me. I don't think it's supposed to rain, so we find something stuff in there. Anyway, no luck this time. Alright folks, finally back out here with the this turn. I think I finally got the right part. I had to end up getting this fitting here. Hydraulic hose has got this pipe thread fitting on it, and so I needed this and then that portion there to fit inside the hydraulic cylinder there. So we got all that hooked up, or all that fixed up finally. Took going to the local hydraulic fitting place a couple of times to be able to get it right, but we got it, no big deal. So get this fixed up. A little bit of pipe tape on it. Screwed in here. Fits nice. Pipe tape on the old hose itself, just as a little insurance. Well, now let me get this screwed in. Beat me to death before I get it screwed on there, but we getting it. There we go. Tighten her down now. Good and tight. Alright, there she goes. There. About where we need her to. So, get it back on. Now I'll take, get me some pipe tape on my fitting, my plug-in valve here. Get this tightened up. We can call this project complete finally after a full week now, I guess, maybe a little over a full week. It's taking me to get all this done, which I've had these fitting for a few days. I just finally now time to be able to get out here and get it put back together. So, all right. That's a wrap on that project. Folks, we got some different trees here. We picked these up when we were actually in Raleigh. Of course, that's been a couple of months ago, and we've had these, and some of them's looking a little drear, but they still got some life in them. We're gonna plant these here. Of course, today's actually April the 21st. Tomorrow's April 22nd, and it's actually Earth Day tomorrow. So in honor of Earth Day, we're gonna plant. We got a couple of long leaves here. Yeah, I got 3 long leaves, maybe 4 long leaves, maybe a loblolly, and then a couple of spruces there. But we're gonna plant these. Like I said, I got these from the Raleigh Farm Show, Southern Farm Show, coming from North Carolina Forestry Service there. So, but anyway, nice tree with a root ball on it. Got some water in it there. So, but anyway, we're gonna plant these right here along. There's a fence row right here. Sort of a boundary line here, and we're gonna put these trees out. One, pretty much, I'm gonna put one, I think, in between each of these fence posts right here. See what these trees will do. So, handy dandy tree spade here. A nice little hole in the ground. One of these long leaf pines we got. And in the hole, a little bit of water down there in with it. Stay back over it. Years, we'll have us a nice long leaf pine. I'm gonna plant one of these little spruce looking trees in this one. Every other hole type deal here. Pretty nice healthy looking tree. Have to be careful. I usually spray this fence row with herbicide, kill these weeds, kill the fence row off, so I just have to be careful when I come down through here and do that this year. I had to do more of a hand spraying type situation this time. I don't kill these trees. Certainly want to get out, plant a tree. Of course, as they always say, for every tree that's cut down, there's 10 planted in its place. Of course, the trees are very important. You gotta have them for all aspects of life. So plant them, grow them, use them, and take them. Loblolly here, leaf, short leaf, or a loblolly one. I think it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so that'll help with these as well. All right, number 6 tree here. And of course, by the time y'all see this video, Earth Day will have happened already. But hopefully you went out and planted a tree yourself for Earth Day to in signification of that. If not, hey, never too late. Go out and grab you some kind of tree and plant it. Help the earth. God gave it to us. He ain't but one of them. Need to enjoy it. Put more natural resources back into it. So. Yeah, here at Vermeer hay rake. Had to end up getting me a new tire for the hay rake because I busted this one last year. The last time I raked hay was back in the hay rake in. Hit the corner, the bush hog right here. I hit the front corner up there, I guess. Yeah, and that's what I hit. I hit the front corner up there, and I don't know, I reckon the tire was just old, or I don't really know what happened, but anyway, why it did it, but it busted it. Nice slit right in the sidewall of it. So I guess this tire was just that old, or something of that nature. So anyway, finally pulled this off. A little bit of time, I guess it might have been. I don't even know. Friday, Tuesday, Monday or Tuesday. I had a little bit of time to come out here and just pulled this off real quick. Jacked it up. First time I've even used this jack here. Bought it from Harbor Freight. Pretty nice. First time I've even used it. Jacked it up. Pulled the tire off. Guy got it fixed for me up in town. Look at me. I done got the wrong socket. I got the right socket. I don't know what I was thinking. Long week, I reckon. This old jack down. Hay rake will be ready for hay season now. There we go. Very nice, very nice. All right, folks, I'm gonna close this one out. I did a little more planting here in the garden, put some more peas, planted some pink eye purple hulls and some Mississippi pink eye purple hull peas, forget what they call them, planted some squash and some lima beans, and there's some different varieties that I bought. I love a purple hull pea. God, they're so good. Makes a beautiful, I guess we call it a gravy with the pea. Man, that's so good, so good. But anyway, so I got some more garden, some more planting done in the garden. Got the water running on. Still got dry on. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, and hopefully, good Lord will bless us with some rain, because it is done got a little dry. So cut the old sprinkler on, let it run a little while. I'm fixing to go over here and work on the man cave a little bit. Y'all see that, of course, in another video. Of course, got the disc tariff fixed, which is good. Got it done. Get out there and do some more disting sometime, and got the trees planted for Earth Day. Hopefully y'all get out and have gotten out and done some tree planting yourself for Earth Day and celebrated that, and then did the put the tire back on the hay rake, so I got it ready for hay season, other than doing some greasing on it whenever the hay season or hay cutting and all comes into play. So but anyway, hope everybody's doing well. Please like, subscribe, comment. Please give me a thumbs up. It does help the channel. I'll be doing a special video here, and well, y'all probably will have already seen the special video that I've done. But I'm gonna do a special video in the next couple of days. And like I said, y'all already have seen it by the time this video comes out. But anyway, again, hope all of you's doing well. Thanks for watching. God bless each and every one of you, and we'll see you in the next one.